Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic atomic and molecular mass. So firstly, we will study about atomic mass. So what is atomic mass? Atomic mass of an element is the number of times an atom of that element is heavier than an atom of carbon 12. So atomic mass of an element, it is the number of times an atom of that element is heavier than an atom of carbon 12, heavier than an atom of carbon 12. Now, one atomic mass unit, 1 AMU. AMU is atomic mass unit, is equal to the 1/12 of mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. So, the atomic mass of an element is the average relative mass of its atom as compared with an atom of carbon 12, which is taken as 12. So, the atomic mass of an element expressed in gram is known as gram atomic mass. So, the atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass, gram atomic mass. For example, atomic mass of oxygen is, atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16 AMU, and gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram, and gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So this is all about the atomic mass. Now we will study about the molecular mass. So what is molecular mass? So molecular mass of a substance is the number of times the molecule of the substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. The number of times the molecule of the element is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Or we can say molecular mass is the sum of its atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule of a substance. Or we can say molecular mass is equal to the sum of its atomic masses of all the atoms. Sum of its atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule of a substance. Present in one molecule of the substance. For example, if we talk about water, then water has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So the molecular mass of water will be 2 into mass of hydrogen atom plus mass of oxygen atom. So it will be 2 into mass of hydrogen is 1 plus mass of oxygen is 16. So it will be 18 AMU or 18U. We can use unified unit instead of atomic mass unit. Now what is gram molecular mass? So gram molecular mass is the mass of the substance expressed in grams. If the mass of the substance expressed in grams, or we can say it is the mass of the 1 mole of the substance in gram. So it will be, for example, we have seen that the molecular mass of water is 18 AMU or 18U. So gram molecular mass of water. So gram molecular mass of water. MM is molecular mass. So gram molecular mass of water will be 18 gram. So this is all about the atoms and molecular mass. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.